Hey, what's going on, everybody? Today I am in Hope Mills and we are at the lake today, and it is kind of a cool, like, all around fun thing to do. They have a big teas food place. You can go swimming, kayaking, you can walk. We got some yoga going on over here behind me. So I'm just gonna show you this lake, and if you're looking for something to do, give you an idea of what there is here. So on any given day, there's a plethora of activities going on. People having a picnic, people walking. You had some people kayaking earlier. I just missed them. They just loaded up their kayaks. And looks like you got some yoga going on in the gazebo. So Hope Mills Park is just an all-around fun park. I believe you can go swimming right here. I'm not sure. We're gonna go check out the sign. I don't actually live here. I live in Rayford. I'm just came down here to visit. So swim area open only from Memorial Day through Labor Day weekend, 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. Monday to Saturday, 12 p.m. to 9 p.m. Sundays. So they do have a playground here. Looks like they're doing some work on it, and you can go fishing. We got some people fishing off the dock. Not really sure what kind of fish are in here. And that's the restaurant I wanted to eat at, Big T's. I didn't realize they were doing construction on it. And it says it's closed for the season. So in the summertime, whenever I drive by, I always see people. There's a line waiting to eat there. So this summer, I'll definitely have to come back. Small little parking lot. Fills up pretty quick. Once again, once I drive by in the summer, always see it full. Got outdoor seating. If you want to come have a picnic, of course, there's going to be geese here. So now we'll walk down Main Street, or when I say Main Street, I mean the business district, the historic downtown Hope Mills. So it looks like this dam has American eels, aka the common or freshwater eel. Didn't know that, but it's interesting. I never really walked around this lake before, so that's kind of cool. I'm still pretty sure I'd think it's a snake if I saw it, so not really, don't really want to see one. I'm surprised there's not more people out on it, kayaking or boating, just because it is spring break right now, and the weather is beautiful today. It is beginning of April, and it is going to be 80 today, so I can't complain about the North Carolina weather. We're gonna head over to Tre Street, which is the historic downtown portion and business district. So here's just some sampling of the businesses that are down there. You got the studio, which is a photography studio. You got a tea room, you got a catering shop, you got a boutique. So let's go check it out. I don't even know it's open, to be honest. It is about 11 o'clock in the morning. And so let's see what we can do. Drama lab, a hair salon, a locksmith. I don't know what that is. Let's go in the bakery. Let's see if we can get a cupcake or something. Gotta look both ways before you cross the street. Alright, so I just got a Frappuccino. It's pretty good. Had I walked a little further down, I could have just grabbed the beer off the ground. Dumb me. Continue our walk. There's the photography. Pause encounters. If you're looking for pet photography. It's called The Studio on Tre Street. You got car alarms, a car shop, and that looks to be the end of Tre Street. Oh, they got yoga. You want to do yoga? They got Get Twisted Yoga and the church. But that's it. Kind of a quiet town, quiet historic district, I guess. It's obviously not like Fayetteville. Fayetteville's a lot bigger, has a lot more going on, but still pretty cool. You know, obviously Hope Mills, they got like the Walmarts and the Lowe's and all that. They got their main streets, all the shopping and all that, but just figured I'd take you down to the historic district. Let you show you the quieter side and the lake. I guess show you the off the beaten path, I guess, even though it's the historic business district. Now we're gonna walk back to the truck, which it's only about a block away. So it's kind of convenient. Everything is kind of right here for this little section. All right, so I couldn't come up here earlier because of the yoga going on. But this is the gazebo. If you just want a place to come chill, maybe read a book, eat lunch, get out of the sun. But it also looks like, and I'm just kind of spitballing, it looks like there is a time capsule in here. So I know it's not 2076, so the only thing I can think of is in the year 2076, they'll dig this up and we will see what is in here. Hopefully we're all still around by then. But just one last view of the lake before I pack it up and head home. All right, and that is Hope Mills in a nutshell. You know, it's a quiet little area, quiet little town, and this is just one small piece of it. Obviously, like I said before, they have a movie theater, they have Main Street, they have Walmart, they have Lowe's, they have all the shopping you can need, but this is a quiet little area of the historic downtown area, or a quiet little area by the historic business district. And it's just kind of a cool place to slow down, take a walk, have a picnic, go kayak, go fishing, whatever. And so hopefully you enjoyed the video, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe. I will continue to bring videos of what there's to do around Fort Bragg and the Sand Hills area. as well as, you know, go to some festivals, show you guys what there is to do around here so you can get out and enjoy the area. So until next time, have a great day.